Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for Friday, May 31. Smokers are spending up to $250,000 per year on cigarettes without realizing just how much of their income goes towards supporting their addiction. This alarming statistic was disclosed by Executive Director of the Heart Foundation of Jamaica, Deborah Chen, at a JIS think tank this week. She said individuals who smoke a pack of cigarettes per day spend an average of $250,000 a year to support the habit.
I don't think if I gave any of you $250,000 right now in a bag that you would go outside and burn it. But that is exactly what's happening. And in addition to burning it, it's also causing harm.
Tobacco smoking is the second leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide. World No Tobacco Day, Friday, May 31, is being observed under the theme Ban Tobacco Promotion, Advertising and Sponsorship, Save Our Youth. Government is to establish a commercial task force within the Attorney General's chambers to provide legal advice on potential strategic investment projects. Attorney General Patrick Atkinson made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2013-2014 sectoral debate Wednesday. He said Jamaica was poised to receive a significant volume of new investments. This, he said, would bring with them memoranda of understanding, contracts, legal issues to navigate, and legal questions to be answered.
That task force will tackle the urgent and important legal advice and assistance linked to strategic investment and the projects coming from the projects that are expected. The objective will be to expedite those matters. But of course, Mr. Speaker, we recognize that effectiveness and soundness is essential in legal advice and assistance.
He emphasized that the Attorney General's chambers would ensure that quality was not sacrificed on the altar of speed. Jamaica is looking to adopt a number of systems to improve oversight practices and strengthen corruption prevention measures. Collaboration with Canadian parliamentarians has identified areas in their public account system that local parliamentarians are hoping to share.
We have agreed to formally enter into an arrangement where we're working towards primarily the public accounts, and then hopefully we will get to the stage where Jamaica becomes a member of GoPak.
GoPak is a global organization of parliamentarians against corruption, and the secretariat is based in Ontario, Canada. Members of the Canadian GoPak team recently visited Jamaica for meetings with local parliamentarians. Their collaboration is expected to be ongoing. A new revolutionary set of pipes and fittings has been introduced to the Jamaican market, bringing alternative choices to the water infrastructure network. The eZEEFLOW pipes and fittings are said to be 100% leak-proof, environmentally friendly and more cost-effective than traditional piping. They use the raw material polypropylene random copolymer, commonly called PPR. The eZEEFLOW PPR HDPE pipes and fittings were introduced at a launch ceremony in Kingston this week. Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change Robert Pickersgill lauded the companies for bringing this game-changing product to the Jamaican market.
It is against the background of an aging water infrastructure that we welcome the expansion and diversification of the market for pipes. I'm careful to say that I'm not in a position to endorse any one product, but I reiterate that I welcome the choices available to our water agencies, particularly the NWC, which is seeking to upgrade and expand its infrastructure this financial year at a cost of approximately 10 billion Jamaican dollars.
eZEEFLOW pipes and fittings have been introduced by Patrick Commodities Limited of Jamaica, which has partnered with Guyanese firm Global Hardware Incorporated. And finally, the Education Ministry is congratulating the strides made by Norman Gardens Primary and Junior High School through a behavior modification program it has initiated. The program, called Supermarket Day, was created by the school's guidance counselor Jennifer Rainford and is an annual event which rewards students for good behavior. Students earn points to shop in the school's two-day supermarket set up for that purpose. Speaking at the 2013 launch this week, Senior Advisor to the Minister of Education Radley Reid congratulated the school for its transformative program.
You are motivating your students, and motivation comes in many ways, but physical motivation, something which you can see, is one of the best ways of motivating young children.
Supermarket Day is sponsored by several corporate bodies. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.